That has got to be one of the fullest bodied beers I have had in a long time. Boy, this is beyond buxom. Wow. This is a real pachyderm. That's what this is. But it's a pleasant pachyderm, I'll tell you. And that alcohol just said hello. It warms me right up. Oh, if this is the Santa Claus that's on the can right there, boy, I tell you, if this is that Santa Claus, he's a happy dude. Thank you, Santa Claus. All right, yeah, wow. All right, well, so, Peter, distracted, weren't you? So does St.Bernardus Christmas Ale meet expectations? Wow, yes, it does. In fact, it exceeds expectations. Absolutely. Well, if you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great. Share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm the old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations, and a happy Christmas to you all.